you've been following me, then you know that I have tons of work to do to maintain my backyard. I really love doing yard work. It is hard work, but it is so satisfying. Now, this year, you guys, summer has not been nice here in the Netherlands. We have been having so much rain. It is good for the plants, but we couldn't really enjoy the outdoors. Getting these videos ready took a long time, and I really have to say that usually by June I have all my outdoor videos out already, but I had to deal with the weather and wait for dry and warmer weather to do my yard work and getting my backyard ready. So I still have at least I think one more video to post to share with you my backyard tour. That will be the video after this one, I think. Now in this video I'm going to share with you how I clean and decorate my patio here. This is my other seating area, and here you can see that I already did the other side of the fence as well. I've made a little bit of a mess, so I'm going to be cleaning this up, and then I'm gonna continue with the backyard. I decided this year to make a mess first, and then I would clean the tiles. As you can see here, all my pots, they have been staying here during the winter, so that is what you see. But anyway, that is going to be gone after I power wash my tiles. First I'm gonna clean up everything, and then we're gonna continue. you guys, look at this space. It looks so nice and airy and clean. And I am so happy. And it always amazes me how well these tiles clean. I still have all my pots here. And I'm going to be putting everything aside now, or no, I'm going to put everything back in its place. And then we're going to continue tomorrow. So I'm happy I'm done for today. In my previous video, I introduced these pathway solar lights. I got them from Lincoln. I got 2 boxes of 4, and the first 4 I used in my other video, and I had these 4 left that I wanted to place in this border here. Now I will leave a link of that video in my description box in case you've missed that. And that was a sponsored video, so make sure you check out that video with the link to their website. And you guys, I've been using these solar lights now for some time, and they've been doing so great. I wasn't a believer of solar lights, but these do an amazing job, and I am really curious to see how they will do the entire season. I will definitely store these for the winter time. I'm not going to leave them out throughout the year, so I'm just going to put them here for the summer. Now here you see that I'm placing them evenly throughout the space here, and you guys, they look so stunning at night. So make sure you watch till the end of the video to see the lights on. Now with that being said, let's continue cleaning and getting this patio ready. If you saw my first video of the season, you saw that I got a new outdoor rug for my other seating area. It was an IKEA rug. Now this rug has been doing so great. It is the first like this plastic rug that has been going strong for season after season, and I have to say it is too small for this space, but I do not want to toss it out because it is just so good. But I am thinking of replacing it anyways with one of those Morum rugs from IKEA. Those are really affordable and they do come in different colors. But I am thinking of getting another green one for this area as well. But for now I'm still gonna leave this one here because, like I said, it is still in very good shape and I do like the pattern on it. Remember that I had those white tables Here, the previous years, now I wanted to do something different. So I got this plant stand set, patio plant stand set from Lidl. They are one bigger than the other. So I'm going to be installing them and putting one here and one here just to see something different, a different look for a change. Now, after I finished assembling these, I noticed that they were so small, and I am terrible with measurements because I actually thought that they would be taller. They are a nice set together, but not for this space. I really wanted to have a different look, but these are like way too small for this area. And if you saw my first video, you noticed that I did put them next to my other sitting area and they look really perfect. So in case you missed that video, again, I will link it in my description box below. So in this area, I am going to be using these two tables that I already had. And you might have noticed that I did switch things up a little bit because I had two other smaller tables here that I put on my front porch. So that's why I'm using these white ones on each side of the seating area. Not too long ago, I picked up these two trays from the thrift store. They were only 50 cents each, And I used to have two similar to these ones, but those cracked, so I tossed them out. Now the reason why I like to use a tray here is just to break up all the whites that's been going on here, and also because I can easily remove the tray if I have company or if I'm entertaining. Then I have enough space here on the table for people to put their drinks. Now we've almost come to the end of this video. I'm just gonna put my cushions here, and then I'm gonna show you a tour of how my backyard turned out. Make sure you watch till the end of the video to see the night shots of my solar lamps, you guys, because they are stunning. Now I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the wind up